Hello, my friends. It is Jennifer of Jenza's Magical Emporium, and I'm doing some how-to videos for my Emporium members and different topics. So they learn a little bit about selling and listing on the district and specifically in my marketplace. But to watch this video, you do not have to be in my marketplace. You can be in a different one, but you just need some information, and this is an easier way to learn it for you. So we are doing magic comments, and I love magic comments. So here we go. We're going to go right to the dashboard. And we're going to go to my listings. Now, if you haven't watched the listing video and you don't know much about the dashboard, you can pause this one, go over that video on how to list an item, and then I do give a little tour of everything on the dashboard. But right now, what we are going to be looking at, go to the far right, and you see that little upload? That's about magic comments. And if you go over here to the far left, you see another item that says magic comments. The first time you try to upload, if you are not connected to your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, depending where you're uploading, they're going to ask you to connect. If like myself, so they're going to, if you have a business page, right, a Facebook business page, and if you don't, I really, really suggest you do it, be it if you're part of the Emporium or part of another marketplace. Having a business page is great. When you do a business page, it is under your personal. So I log in as Jennifer, and then I have places where I can go and choose which of my business pages I want to be on. So magic comments, this is where you're going to go to connect. I am connected to my Facebook and Instagram. I don't tweet or X or whatever that might be. There will be more platforms coming. So I just had to log into Facebook, log into Instagram to connect. That's where you go to magic comments. I just uploaded something pretty. Today is it's a Wednesday. So I do a lot of things by planetary association. I'm going to upload my Planets of Mercury tote bag. So up we go. And I'm going to upload it to Facebook. I'm just choosing that one because it's going to show you that I have a lot. Actually, a trick of the trade first. I think buyers want to go a little bit more information on these things. So I'm going to Plants of Mercury. This is my tote bag. I'm going to copy everything in that because that's all the wordy, pretty stuff. Right? Go back to my listings and Plants of Mercury. So Wednesdays are ruled by Mercury. That's why we're doing Mercury bag. We go to Facebook, we're going to upload it there. And which of my things? Let's go to Jenza's garden, though. Well, let's go to Magic Emporium because why not? So Plants of Mercury tote bag. Follow and type claim in the comments below to check out. This is awesome. All they have to do is type in claim. They're going to get a DM or a message, and then they will be able to check out via that message. So they have an hour to hold it kind of in their shopping cart. So it can't be sold on your site if there's just one. So if you only have one and you're waiting on them, you're not going to be able to see it in the marketplace for that hour. If they don't check out, they don't come back in. If they check out, great, you're going to get an email. So anytime something is sold, you get an email. I'm going to share that over to Facebook. If I wanted to put a hashtag, maybe like, oh, want to do planetary association. I could do that. So I could choose some hashtags if I wanted to, especially if I was on Instagram. Let's share. Publishing. This does take the longest of it. Is just the waiting for it to upload, and that could be my computer, but it does take about 30 to 60 seconds for it to upload. And it's uploaded, and now let's go to the post. This is going to bring me right over to the Emporium. Now, the Emporium is still new, so I need you to give it some love. It's still new. So this is what it is. They're going to do the claim. They're going to put it in the comments. I was on, or I still am for some things, on a different platform, and I felt lost, and that's why I came over here. That other platform would do ads for you. If it was an off-site ad, it would be 15% of the total sales, including shipping and handling. So then that's really more like sometimes 20 or 30% off of the actual item, depending on what shipping and handling was. And that was, marketing can be nice. Here, I feel is more on you if you decide to market or not. So you can go ahead and boost a post, knowing what your profit margin is, what your budget is, and that's up to you. The district or your marketplace is not going to all of a sudden do an ad for you, and now you're out 15% or more of that sale, especially when you have a small bottom line. To go into the Emporium, take a look. So again, if you have not liked the Emporium, please do. Please give it a follow. If you are actually part of Jenza's Magickal Emporium, make sure you have signed up for the groups. Okay. So here we go. Front, back. Let's give it a little like. Yay, I liked my own thing. What's wrong with that? So someone who's following can now just purchase that. Magic comments. I do. I believe it is so magic. I love it. As a owner, I can go into my whole store with everyone's listing and list other people's items to the Facebook pages also. So that is great. If you do have any questions for Magic Comments, let me know. Or a great thing, again, you have help and support right here from the district. If you ever get lost, remember, hit district, go back to your marketplace. And you'll also, if you're part of mine, there's going to be some seller questions in there. And then there's also the district support, which is usually at the bottom of a chat. So let me go over here. And then the district support to help you out with this. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, I also have how to list, a little bit on shipping and handling, so those other videos. A video on going live will be coming when I decide to finally go live. Best of luck selling your goods, be it on the Magickal Emporium or the marketplace of your choice. Have a great day. Happy selling, and the best of luck to you. All right. Goodbye, my friends.